Well, alright, myself. Things that get sticky, things that get hot, Zinuzacha. Yes, we're right here at the City Sports Center. 10 Sound Clash right here in Zimbabwe. And before we go any further, Start Time Superpower, you out. Roughneck Sound, out. Sweet Ebony, Galinia Sound, out. Small X, out. Black King, out. African Exodus, out. Stone Love, out. Bronx International, how you get that international from? Out. Major E, big up yourself, my brother. Yes, massive. Right about now, 8 sound system out now. We left with 2 of the biggest sound right here in Zimbabwe. To battle it tune for tune. We call upon Jarby, Stereo One, Silverstar, Jackie Bango, Jackie B. Yes, tune for tune. Uno ready? Now Stereo One, Step Cross, come in.
Days of wine and roses are no longer around. Strictly ragamuffin, just a rule of the town.
You run things here, and you run things over there.
Are you rule ragamuffin? Come on and rule ragamuffin. Yes, you rule ragamuffin. He's all around.
Silverstar, Jackie B, come in.
Sound boy, won't you go home? Oh, no more will I run. Won't you go home, sound boy? Go home, go home. Won't you go home, sound boy? Go home, go home. Believe me, sound boy, when I say to you, you can't test my sound in nothing that you do. I've got my dubplate and 45 well sharpened for you, and I'm gonna cut your throat more than I'ma shake you through. Won't you go home, sound boy? Go home, go home. Won't you go home, sound boy? Go home.
Easy, Silverstar, Stereo One, come in.
Oh, 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 my selector. I said my selector. Oh, yeah. Operator, you fi turn on the E. My selector, turn on the E. Play rubber dubber, me say turn on the E. You play dumb play, just say turn on the E. Say operator, me say turn on the E. My selector, turn on the E. Oh, star, let go the rhythm, make it go. My selector, me say oh, star, let go the rhythm, make it go. My selector.
Easy, Stereo One. Silverstar, come in.
Now hear this. Sound boy, I push up your collar, man. Remember just brush out my sleeve, man. 100 stripe and one more. Original kills. What's your man? You should have died for your breeds this session, for your test the high power. Sound boy, you hear me? You should have died for your breeds this session, and this your gargan sound in here. You hear me? When I was a little stereo, I listened to some champions. I always wonder when I will be the number one. Now you listen to the gargan, and a gargan sound a rain. And then he jump and come test me. Me a go leak out them brains. So sound boy, you should have died at the dance gate, you know, but you a test the high power. You should have died for your breathing session, cause you know me a the danger. Me tell her no champion.
Now Stereo One, Step Cross, come in.
Now this one is a special dedication to all the man them in a Rikers Island. Cocotti and now the ranking man. Now Cocotti, come sing out.
The first time the youth come on New York, them tell him youth, you mustn't skylark. Learn a trade or go to school. and don't you turn yourself in a fool. But now him gone a Rikers Island. Him never want go a Rikers Island.
Me, no like Rikers Island. Come no, me, no like Rikers Island. Come no, me, no like Rikers Island. No fun, been to Rikers Island. No.
Go and big up Miss Agony whining for the dance floor. Big up on yourself. Go and big up all the Barrack crew in the house. All the Fear Posse. All the Warren Park Posse. Bango. You not ready? Come in.
There'll be hope for the hopeless, but no mercy for the merciless. I hold them fixed. Home for the homeless, but no shelter for the ones that transgress. I hold them fixed. Let your work be fruitful, don't let it be meaningless. I hold them fixed. I'm talking to my people out of east and west. I hold them fixed. Although you can't do everything good, try to do your best. I hold them fixed. Cause there'll be a place of shelter for all weary head to rest. Cause there'll be hope for the hopeless, but no mercy for the merciless.
Go and big up Pessy Ghost. Go and big up all the God kind of massive.
I said you want to go to Negril, or even to my bay, but I'm gonna send you go to Ochi or a Sentons Bay and don't feel no way. Oh, get a passport for my baby, Lord, and get it stamped tonight. I said you wanna go to Canada, send her on a Negril flight. Me just gonna niggle me just so gonna niggle no. 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 Me go a niggle figure test me skill. Me buck a little thing from Orange Hill. Listen large, you know what me want test your skill. He's a nice little girl, come let me take you round the world. Say what? But she take me down the water.
Silverstone, come in.
Then you mean to tell me, say, you never do him nothing, and him just fat up your eyes up?
It's true. He make me eye black and blue, then ask what the hell the police can do.
No mind ya, my dear. I go and pay him a visit. Who that? Police, boy blue. Oh, so you is the Babylon books that is causing disruption in my domestic affairs. I am Constable Brown, then call me Boy Blue. I have here a warrant to arrest you, cause you beat up your girl till she black and blue. Then ask what the hell the police can do. I come to show what police can do. I'm going to show what police can do. I have a battle tough like wax stone. I'm going to introduce it to your jawbone. Box out your teeth till you moan and groan. Make your ears them ring like government phone. Rock up your nose up, they find your looks, cause you shouldn't call me Babylon book.
Jah be the Godfather, who not ready? Drop it.
Paul Smith.
Hey, hey, a people this a agane. Hey, hey, people this a agane. Ladderman Center, Borryman Center, Ladderman Center, Borryman Center, Diagani Center, Diagani Center, Diagani Center, where bad boy creator. Ladderman Center, Borryman Center, Ladderman Center, Borryman Center.
Will! Yes, massive. Take speed. Silverstone, come in.
Yeah. Ah, yeah, yeah. Listen. When you're in love with a beautiful woman, it's hard. You know it's hard. When you're in love with a beautiful woman, you know it's hard. It's so hard, it's so hard. Because everybody wants her, everybody needs her, everybody wants to take your baby away. When you're in love with a beautiful woman, you better watch your friend, watch your friend.
That's Stereo One. Step cross, come in.
When we pass through, man, a danger business. Say no, say. Original bandolero, man. Roll. Hey, gringos and pasero, how want you make way for the bandolero? Cause if you don't do that, my friend, then your number is 0. Them lyrics are chopped like the sword of Zorro. Roll. Should I see me win a Colorado? When I buck up the youth from Conero. When they all sit a kick up and a gallop on the caravan stay so 0. Now him come lick the Pelico, and Pelico go play up in the marrow. Him want to jump in and me chest, he feeling bad because he feel over macho. 0, but I just drink the tequila.
Silverstone, come in.
Come on now. Shillily boom boom day. Shillily boom she boom she. Shillily boom boom day. Come on then. Spicy day. Informer be dead yet. Informer be dead. Come on then. Shillily boom day. We kill informer. Alright then son boy. Pack up picture your land glasses. Hey, pack up picture your land glasses. No, we don't need no test glasses. We don't need none, no test glasses. We see you to your land glasses. Come on then, son why? Because you tweet on the sun ready. And your baseline a play to the day. Pack up your tin pan, jump and stand and leave. Tonight you're going to die. Jump and sound, you not get no blind. Use that the plate, you gone sky high. We a kill them so.
Jah be the Godfather, who not ready? Drop it.
La 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 la, ooh la la. We be do be dandy. La 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 la. Hey, looking at the dance, so the posse them a rock it now, people. Hey, hey. Looking at the dance, so the posse them a rock it now, people. So come along, brothers, and come along, sisters. P-O-S-S-Y, a posse. P-O-S-S-Y, a posse. And in a dance, them a bowl out for murder. 1, 2, 3, every posse just a shout out for we, yeah. Them say Alan pull up operator, then you fling it back for we, yeah.
Silverstone, Jackie B, come in.
Let me tell you, I'm a French upon them brand new. And I want to see all their change and check out themselves on this one now. Step up French.
Earth danger. What? Will you be mine? My darling dear, love you all the time. I'm just a fool in love with you.
Come now. So what? She had the bun, now the cheese must go between. She had the bun, now the cheese must go between. Me had the king, she had the queen, must go between. Me had the king and she had the queen, must go between. Watch me. She had the
Now stereo one, step cross, come in.
The people shout, joy down. Ooh, level the vibe, we are level the vibe. Sweetness tonight. Oh yes, level the vibe, we are level the vibe. Sweetness tonight. If I mash up on your car, don't you brag and go on. It's only reggae music, keep me skanking on my feet. Skip and skank to the rebound, bang, bang. Youth man, sorry if I'm wrong. Oh, level the vibe, we are level the vibe. Sweetness tonight. Oh yes.
Silverstone, Jackie B, come in.
Ragamuffin, yeah.
Now step up, Mr. Olivites, and tell them one.
Walking down the road the other day, sight a pretty girl as she passed my way. I could not resist the temptation, so make it brave and me touch her. And she asked me what me want, I couldn't resist. Asked me what's the problem,
fi ragamuffin no.
Everyone, step cross, come in.
For the prophet, I know some chanting, cow bombastic. Stop a prophet. God Almighty.
I'm saying, yeah. See the hypocrite, them a galang. See them a galang. They don't want to watch it. I'm saying, yeah. See the hypocrite, them a galang. See them a galang. They don't want to watch it. But I'm gonna teach them, that I'm gonna teach them, that I'm gonna move. Michael Prophet, that different, them and they get you in the group. Come now, move, but I go, but I move, but I go, but I don't stop, move, and I rock. Michael Prophet, that different, they bring us, think that we just a baby.
Silverstone, come in.
Youngster, flipping up and going on tough like the great China wall. Now you get hold by the long arms of the lion, your mother ball. I said this, I said that, oh. I said this, I said that, oh. I said this, I said that, oh. Stitchy on no rude boy, me and no gangster. No ho, nah break the heart of me mother. Stitchy on no rude boy, me and no gangster. No to crime and police, me nah answer. I say lies, another mother boy. Our gangster son, get told by the law. Boy, no marrow you blue. See, they know you end up in a little room. Lies, another mother boy. Our gangster son, get told by the law. Boy, no marrow you blue. See, they know you end up in a little room.
Now stereo one, step cross, come in.
Now warning. Got to clear the truck or the Apache is coming. All guy got to wait until the next evening. Fire, cause when we come. Watch out, make me come down. Make me come down, watch out, make me come down. Make me come down, dong. Hey, what them a go do when the general come, yes. Give him the mic and wall of Satan sit down. Ram up and Mr. Catch a man, him come for settle down. Whenever time me come, me say that guy skin bun. Cause Jaja the father, Mr. Cat him a the son. But what them a go do when the general come? Follow me now. Give him the mic and wall of Satan sit down.
Silverstone, Jackie B, come in.
So hard shot man, hold up on one. I don't know from some major the man a foundation for long and hard. And understand, here's me ball the shot man, the liquor shot mama man. Professor Major, the liquor shot man, I know. The shot man, the liquor shot mama man. Professor Major, the liquor shot man. Me tell them height of where me measure about 4 feet 1. And the boy not Jamaica swear me reputation. If them try to say Major Puffy, yes them woulda wrong. They woulda paralyze them body foot yet on them on. You know test the Major ragamuffin young man. Me ball the shot man, the liquor shot mama man. Professor Major, the liquor shot man, I know. The shot man, the liquor shot mama man. Professor Major, the liquor shot man.
Jah be the Godfather, who not ready? Drop it.
Jamaica all on a slam. Every man to him opinion now. Blowing up my vineyard. Taking up the grapevine. Peeling a pine. And you hoy. Hear me now. All fruits ripe. Shake the grape tree. A great mistake for you and me. All fruits ripe. Shake the grape tree. A great mistake for you and me. No call me no Dan. No call me name brand. Call me Mr. Man boy. No call me no Dan. No call me name brand. Call me Mr. Man boy. That name brand get brand. And I've dust the Dan. Call me Mr. Man boy. Then I've dust the Dan. Name brand get brand. Call me Mr. Man.
Silverstone, Jackie B, come in.
Well, love boy, go on at them impossible. Well, let me tell you something, man. You already have the title, I'm in a rundown title. Watch this. Hear me now, man. Lord of mercy. Disappear, become invisible. You a look for me, you in a whole heap of trouble. Disappear, become invisible. See me a drink champagne, and me comfortable. Boy, disappear, become invisible. If you mess with me, you mess with your disciple. Disappear, become invisible. You know see I and I set an example. Now you see me a live good, you get envious. Me a feel what you cause you're dangerous. And people like you is murderous. And apart from that you is cantankerous. Disappear, become invisible. You a look for me, you in a whole heap of trouble.
Now stereo one, step cross.
Action! Girl child because she's right every time. Now
of this year, gone like a nuclear. Galaxy again for them case. And sing girl child, watch this. And sing protein, vitamin, and mineral. Big up your chest, you have your credential. Protein, vitamin, and mineral. Big up your chest, you have your credential. I've got the takes and all the man, them a feel us. Man jump out a car, man jump out a bus. Man want your body through your well vigorous. Can't not stand a chance cause them are all us. If you was the party, I done them all the crust. True you look good and have that tender touch. True you ever ready and well gorgeous. Big up your chest, big up your status. Can't see you a road and them want fi fuss. Can't monkey lotion fi come burn you up. Got your feel shape and your pretty look. Again, protein, vitamin and mineral. Gal, big up
Jackie B, come in.
Crown put on the king talking. Now all unprofessional, get in line and the way to crowning. Big na men and no one. Oh, so me say day-oh, day-oh. Put on the day I to carry me home. Day-oh, day-oh. Put on the day I to carry me home. Me put me neck on the block, me have to dead fi put on. Put on the day I to carry me home. No with no selling and no shop, just give me the punani. Put on the day I to carry me home. See game man fi get shot, y'all me want the punani. 6 foot 6 me put it under the ground. If it a fire shot, still want the punani. 2 condom will take them down. So day-oh, day-oh. Put on the day I to carry me home. Day-oh, day-oh. Put on the day I to carry me home. Who wash it up, powder up, y'all give me the punani. Put on the day I have to carry me home. Lie down or stand up, y'all me want the punani. Put on the day I have to carry me home. Come day-oh, day-oh. Put on the day I have to carry me home.
Now stereo one, step cross, come in.
Why? Mr. What? But I want to the brother. What do the brother? How what we? But I want we. See what I mean? See what I mean? This a an a joke. Come a boy no have approach. Just run him like whoop. Whoop. Him having pitney them and none of them him a support. Him hungry and low. Whoop. I talk about him a police and him begin at the post. What a brother love post. Whoop. Girl up right in pin a hotel down a north coast. Now make him come close. What up? This a brother yeah, he make no woman can't stand him. As them seem so the whole of them a run from him. Him this a woman where they upon the ground and where she land him. She have sitting sharp, she woulda take it from him. Her friend them go here say him rich so them gang him. Put him fi relax and then use feather pan him. Promise me slam him then turn round and can him. And now none of them no look pan him.
Jackie B, come in.
I walk one next door. I saw. Boy, I don't know how to treat ya. I'm just a beat ya. Woman, run the boy from out of your yard. From him I break for your rules and laws. Girl, you know see the problem where my cause. Run him out of your yard. Run the boy from out of your life. I could do you him a talk about time wife. And him a beat every day, every night. Run him out of your life. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some hear a boy a beat a woman next door. More 5, 6, 7. Me sure enough woman them woulda never take it no more. Woman you sick under the treatment, this a the cure. Run with the whole ancient dinosaur. Search till you find this a safe and secure. And when you find him, girl, me sure nobody na go see your face in a number plaster. And you a go stop complain to dear pastor. But if you not do it, little poor a disaster. So girl run the boy, run him little faster.
Now stereo one, step cross, come in.
In comes a thing called Run the Version, Rookie Production. Run it,
Woman of her yard for yard. She sent for a very good bodyguard. Yarding with him life, from left to right, all night. Lord, whoa, she want a bodyguard. Boy, Lord, for guard her yard. Want a man for guard her yard. She sent for a good bodyguard. Lord, whoa, she want a bodyguard. Boy, Lord, for guard her yard. Want a man for guard her yard. She sent for a good bodyguard. Every woman want a bodyguard. Somebody to come take charge. That's when the owner gonna brad. The bodyguard her yard. Now the bodyguard make a step to the door. Well protected him have to make sure. Cause him don't know what surprises in store. Every crevice and corner him have to secure. He make a one yarn, it sound like him roll. a go make the last tour. Round a front him did done explore. No him gone round a back, God got some more.
Here's the stereo one. Silverstone, come in.
Miller, kick it one time, boy.
Now you see all of the boy them are going at this woman, man, dress back. Stay far off of the borderline. All girl, man, come on, wanna watch this now. Yeah, me? Me say me serious, me not take back no talk. Left the girl, them a stop pass. No free mark, me say me serious, me not take back no talk. Left the girl, them a stop pass. Left them alone. I stop this, the program, left them alone. One suitors and left them alone. Stop disrespect, woman, left them alone. Change your mind and intention, left them alone. Because of them you born from. Woman, number one in foundation. Me say me serious, me not take back no talk. Left the girl, them a stop pass. No free mark, me say me serious, me not take back no talk. Left the girl, them a stop pass. No free, specially time. Jump up, girl, picking it specially time. Tell them you know the baby be specially time. Girl, because you know you a star specially time. Yes, you will lead them by far. Watch out, the girl, them come fi pass. Make them go through them in a ear one class. Me say me serious, me not take back no talk. Left the girl, them a stop pass. No free marks, me say me serious, me not take back no talk. Left the girl, them a stop pass. No free marks, them in a class. Jam down girls in a class, them in a class. England girls in a class, them in a class. Canadian girls in a class, them in a class. New York girls in a class. When me
Yes, massive, we're not ready to settle the argument. Which sound I go lead? It's up to you right about now. Yes, comment section. You make the decision. If a Silverstone are the winner, you write Silverstone. If a Stereo One are the winner, you write Stereo One. It's up to you. Yes, it's Daddy Slaggy, aka Slaggy Youth. Me out.